You feed people and you don't feed Allah. You fast, you pray, you pay zakat. You might have the bidu with the hijab. You attend the mosque. But when you're alone, nothing stops you from disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nothing forbids you from disobeying Allah Azza wa Jal. Well, that type of people will stand in front of Allah with a lot of hasanat. So many hasanat. But Allah will make all the hasanat like a dust in the wind that it's worthless. Why? Where is your fear of Allah when you're alone? Where's the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when you are by yourself? Where's the fear of Allah Azza wa Jal when you are alone and no one is watching you, and you knew that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you?